Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today because I have a wig from Yolissa Hair and it's pre-curled. Let's see how this looks straight out of the packaging. I did not wash it, bleach it, pluck it, nothing. It's a frontal wig. It is blonde. It's pre-curled. So let's see. So this is the box, how it comes. I'm gonna just unbox it right here, right now. This is the box. Open it up. Have your wig right there. Oh, this is a closure. This is a closure. Okay, so let me show you what came in the packaging. So this is the inside. It comes with lashes, headband, another headband, like a big one to sleep with, wig cap. I love these wig caps. They're so thin, but I just want to wear my brown one today. Edge brush. And a satin bag to put everything. Okay, so now I'm ready to judge the wig. This straight out of the packaging. So it comes in this. This is their 24-inch 5x5 lace closure. It's HD lace. And it's freestyled. When I take it out the packaging, just like this. Wow, look. Bouncy. Okay. So I'm gonna just take it out. I did not wash it because I wanted to judge it straight out of the packaging. Like when you receive it, it should be styled, so you just put it on straight out of the packaging. The hair is nice and flat. Okay guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at the inside of the wig. It comes with an adjustable strap. It does not have any combs, but that's okay. You can see that the lace is really flat at the top. It's not bulky. Wow. I'm going to put it on now so we can really judge. Hold on, let me move these things to the side. So I'm going to just flip my head over. I'm going to tighten the elastic band to the middle. I think I might have to put some color in the lace, but let's just judge it straight out of the packaging. First, wow, look at that. Look how flat that is. It's pre-cut and everything, but you can tell that I need to put some color in the lace. Okay, so let's put some color on the lace. I'm going to take it off of my head and put the color and then put it back on. I'm using my Ruby Kisses number 15, the two-sided foundation. I'm just going to put that at the front of the lace. And then I'm going to put it back on. Wow. Okay, so I want to just cut off this little part right here, because I feel like that makes a huge difference to how your wig looks. So I'm going to cut off this tiny little tab right here. Just like that. So it kind of has a curve. This little piece. I'm going to do that to the other side too. Oh, the other side doesn't have one. Okay. It just has like a little piece, but nothing too major. That's fine. I'm not going to put any baby hairs on this wig. Guys, look how flat this is. Straight out of the packaging. And if you wanted to right now, you could go ahead and do some baby hairs, but I'm not going to do any baby hairs. I'm just going to define the part. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take this small brush and I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses number 11 and just part the line just to make the line more defined. The part, I mean, more defined. I'm going to go straight down. Look at that. And the hair is so thick as well. I do not have my big comb, so I have to compromise. I'm going to use my fingers just like this. Wow, look at that. Look at the curls. Guys, this is straight out of the packaging. Okay, child. This is straight out of the packaging. So this is how the hair looks, like just finger detangled, but I want to use a brush. So I'm going to brush it like that. Guys, look at that. I'm going to go in with the curling iron just to curl right up here. That's going to give like a totally different look. So I'm just going to brush it out. Now I want to put some wax at the top just to keep down the flyaways, keep everything tamed. I turned on my AC. It was getting a little hot. But all I'm going to do is just take the front part right here and just give it a nice little curl. curl away from my face. So take the hair, put it in. Oh, what am I doing, child? Pause. Just wait a little while, because I don't like how it's like straight right here. But they did a bomb job. Like, look at the ends. You don't even have to curl your hair. Like, all you have to do is curl the front and you're good to go. Okay. I'm going to do the other side. And I'm just doing the front. I'm not doing the back. I'm just going to leave it to cool down. And then I will do the nails. Okay, I'm putting a little bit of wax at the front, because I like my little, like, push back and then fall type of look. Pushing it back like so. And pushing it down. So freaking pretty. I'm gonna just wait for this to cool down. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just brush this going back. This looks so freaking good. Okay guys, this is how the hair turned out. This is how it's looking. Pre-curled, pre-styled. This is amazing. I'm so happy that they curled it, so then you don't even have to bother curling it straight out of the packaging. If you have somewhere to go, I definitely recommend that you order this specific wig. When it comes to you, all you have to do is put it on your head 1-2 quick, and you looking this good. You don't even have to do baby hairs or nothing. You just throw it on your head with a little bit of your foundation and you're good to go. Look at that. What? Look at this. What? Girl, I'm gonna have the details and the links in my description box below. Make sure you guys check it out if you're interested in a blonde closure wig. This is Bombshell and it's a blonde closure. Make sure you guys check out Yolissa Hair. I will have Yolissa Hair links in my description box below. This is crazy. And if you like this video, make sure you comment me some brown hearts, some brown bears, some yellow hearts. Just let me know that you guys are loving this wig. And yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for staying tuned this long. And yeah, bye.